Hi everyone, it's Parul and I'm super excited about today's discussion topic, which is financial independence in women. But before we look deeper into all the benefits of financial independence in women and how they can become financially independent, let's look at some statistics. Do you know that only 57% of the women are part of the formal workforce? As of 2023, 60% of the women in the United States are financially independent, according to a study by NASDAQ. About 50% of the women express the confidence in managing their household finances, which indicates a positive trend in financial self assurance. But a Fidelity study from 2021 found that only 33% of the women are confident in their ability to make investment decisions, which emphasize the need for more efforts to enhance their financial literacy. In the United States, women owned businesses increased by 114% between 1997 and 2017. However, women owned businesses still only contributed to just over 4% of the total revenue in the country. According to a study, women earn about 82 cents for every dollar earned by a man in the US. In developing countries, women entrepreneurs face more obstacles compared to their male counterparts. In sub Saharan Africa, women owned businesses have a 34% higher likelihood of closing than the male ones. Since we just looked at all these statistics, now let's look at all the benefits of getting our women to become financially independent. So, first and foremost, financial independence empowers women to have control over their own lives and make decisions without relying on others. It allows them to pursue their dreams and ambitions, knowing they have the means to support themselves. When women are financially independent, it reduces their vulnerability and dependence on others, which makes women's safety and well being easier. Women who are financially independent can exercise their right to choose a career path that aligns with their interests and goals. Financial independence gives women the freedom to make choices that prioritize their own happiness and personal growth. It provides a sense of accomplishment, a self esteem, and women can take pride in their ability to support themselves. By being financially independent, women can break free from gender stereotypes and challenge societal norms. It opens a world of possibilities for them, which allow them to travel, explore, and experience life on their own terms. Financial independence also gives women the means to support causes and make positive impact in their communities. It's essential for women to have control over their own money, as financial dependency can lead to unequal power dynamics in some relationships. Being financially independent provides a safety net in case of emergencies or unexpected life events. It equips them with resources to handle financial responsibilities and make informed decisions about investments and savings. And it allows women to overcome economic obstacles and bridge gender gaps in income and wealth. Women who are financially independent set a positive example for future generations because it encourages them to pursue their own dreams. It promotes equality as women being economically empowered can contribute to closing the gender pay gap. Financial independence play a crucial role in breaking the cycle of poverty and providing a better future for women and their families. It offers women the freedom to walk away from abusive or oppressive relationships, knowing they can support themselves and their children. By being financially independent, women can have a voice in important decisions that impact their lives and those of their loved ones. It fosters a sense of independence and self reliance, enabling women to navigate life's challenges with confidence and resilience. Financial independence gives women the power to shape their own destinies and live life on their own terms. So let's encourage and support women in their journey towards financial independence as it benefits not just individuals but society as a whole. So imagine a life where you can make choices based on your own desires, not financial constraints. Financial independence gives you the power to travel, invest, and live life on your own terms. So now we have covered the whys. Let's dive into the hows. I've got some amazing examples that will help you understand it better. So, ladies, first things first, invest in yourself. Whether it's education, skills, or personal development, never stop learning and growing. Take inspiration from Oprah Winfrey, who invested in her communication skills and transformed herself from a local news anchor to one of the most influential media personalities in the world. Her continuous investment in personal development has been a key factor in her success. The next thing to gain financial independence is to work on your budgeting skills. Look at the story of Michelle Singletary, who is a financial columnist known for The Color of Money for the Washington Post. She mastered budgeting early in life, which not only helped her pay off her own debt but also positioned her as a respected voice in personal finance. Multiple income streams are very important. Don't put all your money in one basket. Explore multiple income streams, just like Rihanna did, who is not just a Grammy winning artist, but also a big entrepreneur. She diversified her income through ventures like Fenty Beauty and Savage X Fenty, which showcase the power of multiple income streams just beyond her music career. Or you can take a look at Priyanka Chopra, who is a successful actor and a businesswoman and has her own hair care brand called Anomaly. So there are so many examples like that. Even some of these big YouTubers who have multiple income streams and are financially independent and happy. So whether it's a side hustle, investment, or freelancing, diversifying your income can lead to financial success. Financial education is an essential tool for women to become financially independent, so make sure that you get that knowledge. Women owned businesses generate employment opportunities and contribute to economic growth. Empowering women to be economically self sufficient leads to greater gender equality. Investing in women's financial literacy and entrepreneurship can have a significant impact on reducing poverty. All right, now I want to hear from all the women watching this video. What steps are you taking to secure your financial future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more empowering content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Remember, financial independence is not just a goal, it's a journey. So go out there, own your financial story, and let's inspire each other in reaching new heights. I am Parul, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.